Hi you guys, if you want to learn how to make my easy and delicious chicken pot pie with homemade biscuits on top, stay tuned. Alright, so the first thing we're going to do is melt some butter. I melted a total of 4 tablespoons of butter. I know you guys only see 2 tablespoons there, but I added 2 extra tablespoons of butter. And then I added in some minced garlic, and I'm going to give that a stir until the garlic becomes nice and fragrant. After about 30 seconds or so, I added in about a cup to a cup and a half of frozen mixed vegetables. You guys, you can add in any type of veggie you want. I gave that a stir for a few minutes until everything looked nice and vibrant and tender, just like that. I added 2 spoonfuls of all-purpose flour, and of course, you're going to give that a stir. We're going to stir that for a few minutes until we get that raw flour flavor out. And then we're going to add in our chicken stock. I added in about 2 cups of chicken stock, and of course, you're going to stir the entire time to prevent lumps. If you prefer that your pot pie filling have a looser texture, you can always add more chicken stock. and hit that notification bell so you won't miss future videos. Again, I love you guys and I appreciate you for watching, and I will see y'all on the next one. Until then, bye.